Got it?
Yep.
Okay, line it up. Looks like it is.
Yeah, looks like it's what it's supposed to be.
Okay, there you go. One
All right,
mirror. How
one
about
mirror.
that? The mirror's on. Holy moly. We're going to close the door and look at it now. Holy moly. Yeah, that really does the job, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Fresh color key, not a cranberry one and a fucking purple one.
Mm-hmm.
Holy macaronis. All right. The other frame's a little tweaked when that mirror got whacked off.
Oh.
It's just a little out of alignment, but it's not it's not nothing. It's all right.
That's good.
It works. You can see it's off a little bit when you're trying to put the screws back in.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's gold. When this thing drove in here, it was in primer and full of spots.
It was.
I'm not going to plug it in yet till we're ready to do the testing.
Okay.
Alright, there it is.
There it is.
You are headlights and a grill away.
I am.
Like that's how close you are. Your headlights and a grill away from getting the total package. So we have 2 nuts and 2 bolts. So I think it comes with nuts, which is unbelievable. I don't know what those are. Yeah, they were here. It broke off.
Oh no.
Fortunately, you won't need that. You're all right.
All right.
Good thing. That I have to lower the hood so I can figure out what is going on here. We need these. Don't have nuts. There they go. Okay. So we need the nuts and washers for those. Right to go right here. Oh man. Oh man, I've been looking forward like there's little components that I'm really looking forward to seeing.
Yeah.
This is one of them. The grill. It's definitely one of them.
The other
Nope,
ones
I
now?
just need 2 nuts, 2 bolts. I can't fucking see.
You need a flashlight?
Yeah. I need a ratchet somewhere. A little one right there. I lose that one. Alright, sure it looks good on the top, feels good on the top. Alright,
Okay.
you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh, I'm fucking ready too. I'm fucking really ready.
Wow. Look at that. There it goes.
Oh,
Look at that.
hot damn, huh?
Totally.
Freaking A. Nice shiny piece of freaking, look at that.
Uh-huh.
Look at that plastic trim.
Wow. Looks great.
Yep, that car, everything on that car lines up just like it did new.
Yep.
That's one big bonus for Tina.
Yeah.
Is Tina's, am I in the camera away?
You are, but that's okay.
Alright, well, you should stay in front of the camera. Yeah, that's what I like about Tina is that all her parts,
Right.
she lines up. Everything lines up on it right, like it's supposed to.
Right.
And it's awesome.
Totally.
She wasn't crashed. Oh, now you need a set of headlights. So.
Well, she's leaving the safety of the garage. She's going back out into the wilderness.
Okay. Out here, out to sea.
Look at Tina. Wow. Look how awesome she looks.
Well, now it's outside.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, let's see what's looking better.
Into the great wide open.
Oh man.
Look how shiny.
Hot dog, Gail.
I know.